Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Science. Today, this is Miss DeMeo, and I am going to be teaching you about our next science unit and investigation. So, we are now in Unit 2 of Science, and we are going to be completing Investigation 1 today. And this investigation is all about soil composition. So, we're going to be learning a lot about different soil, rocks, and landforms that we have in our world around us. So today's going to be the first day, and it's just going to be an introduction to soil in this video, and then we're furthermore going to start our experiment in the next videos. So I just wanted to show you your science notebook, what you'll be using for this investigation. So if you click on slide 2, this is the front cover. So day 1, we are going to be making observations and answering some questions and a focused question. But before I even begin showing you the slides, I wanted to begin by telling you that we're going to be studying a lot of Earth's materials this investigation. Now, a lot of you might be asking yourself, what is Earth materials? What is Earth materials made up of? Okay, well, we are going to learn about how the shape of Earth's surface changes over time and how these Earth materials affect it. Well, in case you're still wondering what Earth materials are, they are the different solids, liquids, and gases that make up our Earth. Okay, so the Earth materials we're going to look at today and throughout this investigation is soil in containers. Okay, now a lot of you might also be asking yourself, what exactly is soil? And now, when you hear the word soil, you might think of dirt that you find in the ground, in a garden, outside underneath the grass. But there is a lot more to soil than just dirt. So if we take a look at our directions, if you click on this video that you're currently watching, it's just an introduction to our investigation, and I'm going to be explaining how to answer the questions on slide 3 and 4 in your notebook. Okay, so right now, go ahead to your science notebook and you can click on slide 3. Before we even begin our investigation and learning all about soil composition, I would like for you to answer these questions. So question number 1 states, where should we look for soil? Okay, I would like you to write your response next to the word response right here in your science notebook. So in a complete sentence, where do you think we should look to find soil? Be as specific as you can. Now, in question number 2, what kinds of materials do you see in soil? Is there anything growing inside of it? So think about what you see and what materials you would find in soil. Okay, and then ask yourself if you think there's anything growing in it. And you're going to respond to the question right next to the word response. And then you could go ahead to slide 4 and answer this question. Why might scientists and other people be interested in studying soil? So I want you to ask yourself, there are scientists all over the world, and different scientists study different things relating to our world. But I want you to think about, why would scientists be interested in studying soil out of all things? Okay, so think about what soil is and think about why it would be useful for scientists to study this. Maybe you can think about how it affects our Earth or how it affects us as human beings. Okay, so after you're done answering these questions, you are going to go back into day 1 directions, and you're going to go ahead and click on this video to learn more about the investigation and get started. Okay, try your best with answering these questions. I know we didn't learn too much about soil yet, but we are going to in this investigation. I just want to see where your mind is and what you think soil is and what it's made up of.